Hello, hello to everybody. My name is Christina Gomez and she's Chicle. Chicle loves Reiki. Today I'm going to explain the symbol Seiheki. And this is the Reiki number 21. And I want, if you don't see any of my videos before, you can find it with the numbers. And it's a good idea if you start for the number 1. And you can learn everything about Reiki. And you can start to make Reiki and heal yourself, heal others, etc. Okay, today, the symbol. We are now in the second degree of Reiki. When you study the second degree of Reiki, you study the symbols, okay? And you learn 3 symbols. The Shukure, I'm calling Shukure today. Seiheki, and Honsa Seisunin. The symbol Honsa Seisunin is to send Reiki to distance, remote Reiki to the persons who are far from you, okay? But today, I'm going to talk about Seiheki symbol. Seiheki symbol, I call the energy of Reiki here, I call the symbols here. And Seiheki is the symbol of the light. For me, it's a symbol of the light, from the light, and it's the purification symbol. It's a symbol, emotional and mental, okay? So that symbol, you can use it to protect the interior environment of a housing, okay? You can trace the symbol in every wall in your house, every wall you find in the house, but you can put the symbol in the door, on door, the coming door to your house, and that protect you. And you can make an affirmatively or verbally that the states of peace, love, and harmony reigns in this room and in this house. Okay, that is an idea. Then you can to quit smoking. If you are smoking, you can quit smoking. We draw the Honsa Seisunin and Seiheki, and we write, the habit of smoking is increasingly repulsive and unpleasant to me. And you put that paper inside to the tobacco box, okay? Then you can use the Seiheki to purify the negativity and frees the contemplated beings and ourselves by accepting their karma. The Seiheki, when we think of emotional and bioenergetic purification, the Seiheki to harmonize them. I'd say you use when you make your treatment of Reiki for you or others. I use and I put every symbol in every chakra. You use all the symbols in any chakra. That helps to open, to balance, and it makes stronger. That treatment is stronger. Okay. Then Seiheki is almost always suitable to regulate, balance, protect, purify, release, clean, drain. In general, it can be convenient to have a notebook to make your treatments. For example, you have a notebook or a box, and you can put all the papers with the treatments you want to make about Reiki, and you write in the papers what you need and put it in a box, or use a notebook. Okay, and we keep all the sheets with treatments that we prepare and that we want to keep on activity. This box or notebook should be in a high place, clean, and offering light continuously. That it means you need to take that box and make Reiki in that box or in the notebook, giving light, giving strongness with chakra every day. And so you need offering light continuously and writing on the cover or cover Reiki treatments in activity. In some cases, we will leave them active in this way, and in others, every day or when it seems appropriate, we will take them in our hands to enhance their Reiki. For example, you can let it in your bed, in your table on the bed, and every day remember to make Reiki. Okay, that gives strongness to the treatments. And you need to make Reiki for a few minutes, 10 minutes maybe, and return them to their place later. You take the papers, you make Reiki, and you put inside again. If you use a box, or if you use a notebook, open the place where is the treatment, make some Reiki in any treatment. And when a treatment with writing or graphic support has expired, because it's not longer necessary, we will give the flames the documents, visualizing on fire the Seiheki that returns all the elements to their original purify, and we will thank to the light, thank to the Reiki, thanks to the energy of Reiki for the fulfillment or result obtained, whatever it may be, dedicating all benefits to begin. So, it's a good idea. Make a notebook and use for treatments. And when you finish that treatment, you burn it, okay? Then remember, please, anytime you finish your session, your treatment, give thank you. Be grateful to the universe. Thanks. Be grateful and say thank you. Thank you to the universe. Thank you to calm the energy of Reiki. Thanks for everything. Remember, be grateful every day and say thank you every day. I send you a lot